Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. How are we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Transcops. How are you doing? Laris, Pando, good morning. DB, good morning. Ugh. No holidays in August. There's no holidays. Nah, I'm probably gonna spend next week a few days. Um, Most likely by the end of the week next week, I'm gonna go to Paris for a few days. Good morning, Haroon. Chris King, good morning. Okay, let's check because I think 3 a.m. opened already. We had a good sweep here right at the open. Boom. Let me check the daily chart. Of course, in the daily chart, I'm bullish. I'm seeing the recent last days that we had. 4 hour chart. We tapped into this 4 hour gap. We are moving lower. I'm sorry, higher. Also, strong liquidity would be these highs here, the 21st of July highs. Hourly, we have an hourly fair value right here down below. So maybe we could go for the 1 hour and see what happens there. 50 minute. It's a shame that the hourly is just so close because I wanted to short this. I wanted to short this. Like, what do you have here also? And stop map also. We are trading above minus manipulation. Okay. Crude oil and gold. Nothing. In the 4 hour, we don't have any other fair value. Hourly. Morning, Seaver. Let's see. I think there's a way for me to short into this. This 3-minute unicorn that I'm checking, but just needing to go through the hourly fair value. Morning matrix. Good morning, Anthony. Okay, we tapped into the hourly fair value gap now. So it's a rabbit bullet. Tuned in last night, but it was, I mean, I was so tired also. Funny thing it, is is that I got a trade, a winning trade during PM. How crazy it is that I've been trading London session for like months, and I'm finding it really hard to take a winner during London session. And first day I go into the PM session, and it was just based on a like regular fair value gap trade on the 1 minute. What did he say? Reaction out of the hourly fair value gap here, no reply. Then looks like I'm not getting a raise. The reaction here, the only sad part about this is that I cannot long. I don't like. There's no breaker block. There's no unicorn. There's not anything. Mhm. Very fair value. I could do this. Or he probably didn't read the message yet. Probably. He said Juno gets a pay cut. What the fuck, really? Double checking everything here. I don't think about it. How long this, but I'm not too sure. It is going really fucking well for lungs. Check gold. Uh, I don't like gold, just the way it moves. Like just checking the chart on gold, like it's just odd. I don't know. It just feels like we are going up and down way too much. Uh, like even on the 4 hour chart, it just consolidation. Like we're just trading inside this range. So I guess now maybe I move higher into the range and then maybe go lower. I don't know. I just completely missed this fucking trade, right? Yes, I did. 2R. Mm-mm. Really? Mm. I'm gonna move the markets with my funded accounts. I should labels. I'm still observing here because I see reasons for why this long happened, but I'm also seeing bad things, like not good signs yet for a long. At least it's moving. Pretty weird for London session that we have a market moving. Yeah, yeah, London has been really bad lately. Um, to be honest, flags are really fucking good. I prefer flags just because I prefer to have consistency during evaluation and then no consistency during the funded. Because otherwise the pros you don't have consistency on the evaluation and then you have consistency during the funded. At least for Lucid, that's what we were talking about. Yep. For Lucid, the flex ones don't have do have consistency on evaluation, no consistency on funded. So basically, if you just it also depends on the type of trader that you are, of course, but um, you can pass an evaluation with um with the flex one and get into a funded, make I don't know 2K on a trade, and then you just have to do the minimum trading days. For FundedNext, I can really speak about it because it's been a while since I traded with FundedNext, so I'm not really aware of what the plans are right now with them. But I guess it's gonna be something similar. Yeah, I think the flex is overall between all across all the prop firms, it's always gonna be the best value. They're gonna be cheaper and they're gonna be close to what any other account are with a discounted price. waiting here to see what we want to do here. Like it's taking time. I think the reaction on the other was really good. On the other side, I don't think we're gonna run much higher. Yeah, that's for sure. You trade all 3 sessions today. How do you decide which ones to trade? I mean, I don't really trade all sessions. I stream London session, and then the session that I trade is New York. And it really depends if I have a trade before New York. Because you like daily, I'm having um good 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 results from pre New York. I can sell my unicorn also here. Uh, mm, mm, thank you, thank you, Rabbit Boy. Yeah, we're gonna keep going higher. No, I didn't. No, 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 I didn't. What happened? I'm gonna DM you on Discord and check it because if something happened, it it had been my mistake most likely. So I did nothing. When our gap fill and C2, yes sir. That's weird. But is it showing on your indicators drop down? Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Don't worry. Google Matrix. I'm on buy right now. To be honest, I should be unbiased too. But from down here, what a shame that I didn't have like a clean unicorn out of the 1 hour fair value. From 28, 89, 829. Oh wait, like you have bought you bought it really fucking low yesterday. You cheat better. So we shouldn't be trading, right? Better based on that. Uh, okay. Yeah, it's way fucking lower. That's crazy. Short, yes. Not really. Mm, mm. We tap into the 5 minute. No, we didn't create yet the fair value. Fuck, should have long this come down here. Worst hour? It's gonna be 9:30. Like 9 to 10. 5 to 6 a.m. Crazy. I would never thought it was gonna be that one. Yep. Mhm. There's a 5 minute unicorn. Oh no, 3 minute unicorn. But did you have more of them? But to be honest, from the order flow perspective, this short, like a short from here, it's not looking bad at all. Will do probably. What do you think about taking this 5 minute? It could be, I mean, nothing wrong with it. It is there because it makes sense. We have the 1 hour up and idle close. We have the closure of the unicorn. We have the displacement. Um, the only thing is that I don't usually go for 100 points for a London trade. it could play out because I think this last week we had something similar where we printed a 5 minute setup. It really played out, but it took like 2 hours, 3 hours. It took pretty much the whole day. And I'm not saying it won't work. I'm just saying that maybe like I don't want to be in a trade that much. See, like the shorts were looking really fucking good from here based on the order flow. I might try this short here or 2R. Let me double check just real quick. Yeah. Okay, I get an entry most likely, but it's okay. That I just took too much time. Like I was seeing the short happening for a while. Lessons above here, I was seeing something showing up for a short, but I'm gonna check yes. So for me, it was more an order flow decision, pretty much, because right here in this candle, this downside candle, there's like there's like a ton of buy orders right at the higher part of the thing of the candle, and all of these green candles here have negative delta anyway, even though they close green. Two are done from the 1 hour. Oh wait, I changed this one. Now the true question is, I want to hold this entry and see if I can get the full thing playing out. Yes, we have a 3 minute bullish breaker and a 5 minute bullish breaker. On NQ, uh, oh, the 3 minute bullish breaker. I think like it makes sense when it comes to like the hourly, whatever. I just think we're trading way too higher for now. Damn, I didn't get filled. That's a shame. That's a fucking shame. Um, and also like I'm checking the order flow here on Q and it looks. I mean, it was looking good for longs here, but as soon as we got this push, it started looking really bad. For a continuation move higher. How sad it is. What do I check on the order flow? Just pretty much this footprint chart, um, and delta volume, and then TPOs and the DOM, of course. Okay. Like I like to pair what I'm seeing here. I like to pair what I'm seeing here on the unicorn with order flow. That's what I'm doing recently. So when I have like the manipulate, like when I have the unicorn and the unicorn is about to confirm, then I check for different things on the order flow. Like when on the footprint chart, like looking on how the manipulation leg was formed. Like for example, on this one, you have a bunch of trap. Like here, you have a bunch of buyers trapped because like pretty much all of the buyers are on the higher part of the candle. And even though the all of these candles were green on the 1 minute, this one was green. The the delta on these candles was negative anyway. So that's also showing a divergence there. That there's like too many aggressive buyers that they are being like absorbed by limit cells. I mean, in checking these things, it's really helping me filter out some of the trades that I would take. For example, this long here was also supported by the same thing. I mean, it's really cool. I thought at first I was like checking it out from I don't know, uh, um, like it was gonna. I didn't want to make too many changes on my model. So the only thing that I keep trading the unicorn, I keep looking for open eye look closes. I keep looking for liquidity. The only thing is that I like added another validation layer on my trading based on order flow. That's the thing. I had a course that I bought back on 2021 from Abbott Trade. What I don't know if you guys know it. He's a big crypto trader, and I used to trade order flow in crypto like a few years ago. But you have Leo the Tiger. Um, he has the order flow labs. I don't know how good it is because I've never been into the group. But I know Leo and he's a good trader. He trades order flow, so maybe he's the way to go. It's really, I think it's really great. Like, I never thought order flow would be that useful for like an existing model using ICD. Of course, I'm still trying, I'm still testing, but the results for now are really great. Like I'm just taking trades that they're valid from an order flow perspective also. Like I need my unicorn, I need my everything, but then like confirming with the order flow helped me quite a lot into filtering out trades that I shouldn't be taking. Of course, it's not like something 100% uh, sure about it. Like I can take a trade with order flow, like confirmed by order flow, and it can fail anyway. But yeah, yeah, it is. It is. Like it gives you like more depth into what you're watching. Like being able to like watch. Of course, you're not gonna be watching how every fucking candle forms. Um, but there's ways to read like the manipulation phase, how it formed, the retest on the unicorn. I can see how it formed, how that candle happened, the retest happened. And we're on a C3 on the 15. The hourly is still looking good for upside, even though we have just a few minutes for 4 a.m. Bro, yesterday, I think I was down like 600 and I just made everything back, just trading micros by like like playing continuations with order flow. I mean, essentially everything, like all of it is the same. It's just the way you confirm the thing that you are seeing. But it is true that there's things that order flow gives you that you cannot like know if you're not using it. Like how this candle looks like in a bid ask perspective and how the orders were stacked into this candle, that's important. You cannot like know it without order flow. Would you say it increases your win rate? So far, yes. But the, I think for now, I mean, it did lately, for sure. The answer for the question is gonna be most likely like way better answered in a few months when I'm like way more into it. That's completely relative, of course, of course, of course, of course. Like if we speak about win rate, we just speak about win rate, not like risk management paired with that win rate. Because of course, I can have 80% win rate and then fuck it up on my risk management. Yeah, same. Like I know a guy from here from Spain. that he was trading ICT. He was doing really good. He made like, I don't know, a million in payouts. No, I think he made it with a live account. Made like a million in a live account trading ICT, and all of a sudden he made the switch, completely made the switch to order flow, and he's doing really well. And I don't pretend to change my whole model the way I trade because that would be just giving up on 2, 3 years of my life learning the unicorn and learning ICT and trading the way I'm trading right now. But I find it really interesting, at least so far. Not much here, at least for now. He had a good movement. Yeah, Adriano's. He completely made it switch from ICT to order flow. My favorite session, imagine I'm gonna say London session is my favorite one. No, my favorite one is gonna be New York, but New York, but from 10 to 11 something. That's probably my favorite. It used to be 9:30, like right 9:30 open, but man, this year I cannot like stand 9:30 open. So yeah, New York from 10 to 11 most likely, and then it has to be London session. But my least favorite session is PM. Even Asia is higher than PM. Looks like we're slowing down at this area, right? When we form the new hourly, like the sweep of the hourly, we have 5 minutes for 4 a.m. open, so we can have something. But the only thing is like we're really up here. The only thing that happened like remarkably was tapping into this fair value gap on the hourly and maybe sweeping the previous hourly high. But besides this, we're just ranging inside this, like in between the hourly high and the hourly fair value. Yes, I mean probably I would keep switching because I think these two sessions, they're not like New York. New York generally for indices performs better than any other session because the assets are like NQES, you know, they're meant to be moved by this session. And then we have London session, NPM session, and even Asia session that price action, like the quality of price action is going to be rotating between these three sessions. And then we have times where London is really performing really well. We have really good price action. And then it completely switches to Asia or it completely switches to PM. So right now, I would say this. The thing, the why I don't say PM is because I don't usually trade PM that much. Like PM for me is like 8 p.m. at night. So I'm not usually, I mean, I might be sitting on my computer, but I might not be with the charts open. And most likely I'm going to be getting ready for dinner or outside, like my house. So probably it's like the one of the sessions that I have like the least experience on. I think I've traded like way more Asia sessions than PMs. Good morning, Alex, by the way. It's a shame because I had a good read and I couldn't make it. I completely missed the long and I completely missed the short. Exactly, Wolf. Like generally, New York is the one to be. It's going to be the one performing the way better than any other, and that's true. Like we've had really good openings the last few days, and I hope we keep up with them because man, I used to trade like back 2022, 2023. I used to trade 9:30 open way easier like than now. Now it's even harder. Okay, well, a few seconds for 4 a.m. to happen. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if we have a move or we don't, because usually if 3 a.m. gives a move, 4 a.m. doesn't give that much of an aggressive move. Nothing remarkable here happening for sure. Let's see if we can take any of these highs here, any of these two highs, this push higher. Because to be honest, this looks like manipulation. Yeah, let's see if we sweep previous hourly high here. If we go for the hourly high here, if we just took the previous hourly, no, we didn't take it. Like one tick away from it. Yes, we have a just in T. Okay, we took the previous hourly high. See you. See you, brother. Have a good day. I'm gonna try something like this. If we can confirm. If we can confirm this, just to see if ES takes a low. True. I mean, for sure, it looks like it's gonna take it. Gonna wait for this and see if we confirm this or not. Mhm. 15. Yeah, we have a unicorn up, 100%. We have this 5 minute unicorn. Um, but again, as I was saying before, like in terms of order flow for now, it really looks now good for bulls. At least for now. It can change, but right now, what I'm seeing is not really too good for an upside move. That's why I'm not really looking forward taking the 5 minute. 1 more minute for this 15. Yeah, I do play tennis. I'm not good at it, that's for sure, because I'm way better at paddle. But yeah, I try to play tennis. Let's say it that way. Okay, the 15 minutes gonna be gone now. Yeah, tennis is way harder. Like the way you have to hit the ball with a racket and everything. It's way harder. Yeah, but I think it's way fun, way more fun. See, it was with the previous 15-minute high. Thank God we didn't confirm. Yeah, that's a wise choice, Matrix. At least for now. We had really good London sessions. I had a really great winning streaks during London session, but when the market just completely shifts away from the price action that I had before and what I have now, it's just really bad. Yeah, I just want to see if we can have a move down from here really quick, and if we don't, I think I'm gonna call it a session here. Sadly missed on two different opportunities, this short and a long from here. Um, but yeah, Yes, didn't take the low, really like the 312 low. And it's just pretty much ranging. Like it's like they're completely opposite. NQ is just going higher, creating higher highs, lower highs. Yes, it's not even creating higher highs. They're doing the opposite thing. Oh no. Like trying to trade ES right now is just insane. Well, both for ES and NQ. Not too much. We had a couple good moves at the open, but we're now really stuck. I really do think a short is incoming. Like a lower move is about to happen. Well, I think I'm gonna just move on. Just I'm not getting what I want. Um, and it's getting a bit late already into the London session, so most likely not wanna take anything here. I think it was a great session, given the fact that we had really bad sessions the last weeks. A couple missed trades on my end. A long here, like a long right here, and then a short right here that I missed. Whatever, it's good. Um, but yeah, at least we're having movements. We're gonna see each other tomorrow again for London session as usual. So thank you so much for everyone for tuning in once again into the London sessions. Hope you have a great rest of your day and that you stay safe during your session. Thank you so much, Matrix. Have a good one. And yeah, see you everyone. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace.